back to the channel. Today I got the Glock 43X chambered in 9mm, and this gun is awesome. Let's first safety check the weapon. Drop the magazine. It's a nice follower. And the chamber is clear. Now let's start with top of the gun. Glock sights. The U shape with a dot. And it has front serration, rear serrations. If you want to do press check. And it is beveled at the front. Nice little touch. The slide is in silver. I believe it's a NPVD finish on the slide. Not too bad. I like the two-tone. The frame, it has a real good grip on it. Get a whole good purchase. I mean, you got to try it. Go to your gun store and just handle it. Feels great in the hands. Magazine release button. And look at that follower. You can tell if it's empty. Beautiful gun. Now the mag is 10 rounds. And it comes with two 10-round magazines for the X. And in this video, we're going to talk about some specs, show the internals, and do a size comparison with the shield. And in the future, we're going to go to the range and shoot some rounds to this 43X. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the specs. The barrel is 3.4 inches. Slide length 6 inches. The width 1.1 inches. The slide width is 0.87 inches. Height with the mag is 5 inches. And it is a striker fire polymer pistol. It does have a safety on the trigger. Now, the weight with an empty mag is 18.7. A fully loaded mag is 23 ounces. And you already know Glock is reliable. It'll eat all kinds of ammo. And it's a beautiful gun. And the purchase on it, it's great. Feels better than my shield. And it does have some stippling. Not aggressive. I think just right. Now let's check out the internals. Okay, it is clear. Drop the magazine. Fire in a safe direction. Pull the slide back. Pinch the side and it slides right off. Here's your frame. Nice looking frame. Here's your spring, captured spring. And your barrel. I'm off camera here. There we go. There's your barrel. And your slide. And that's how you take it apart. Put it back together. Get your barrel. Slide it back. Get your spring, captured spring. Set it in place. Drop it, center it up. Or better yet, do it the back way. Slide it back. Flip it around. Lock it back. There you go. There you go. You're ready to rock and roll. It's real nice. Like I said, it comes with 2 magazines. Here's the other one. And you can order additional magazines, like another 2. So this one has 4 mags, 10 round mags. So 40 rounds all total. Makes it real nice. These are loaded. It's pretty. All right. Now let me get the shield. Let me do a compare. Shield. Let me take the magazine. Check the weapon. We are clear. I do have rounds in it, but I'm not going to touch the trigger. Now the shield, I have a 7 round mag inside of it. Let's line it up. And the difference is probably about 1/8, just a tad more. The Glock is a little taller. But the Glock's holding 10 rounds. The shield, this one's holding 7 rounds. It's just a tad taller. Now let me take the magazine. Now let me grab the 8 round magazine of the shield. And let's compare the grip. Look at that, identical. It is identical. Oops, sorry. But the shield holds 8 rounds with the extension, and the Glock still has 10 rounds. Two extra rounds, the same height. Two extra shots with the Glock. And it feels lighter than the shield. And you get 2 additional rounds with the Glock. Glock has a real winner with this 43X. You can also get Glock 48 with the silver slide also. So there's a lot of pros to it. I mean, it feels great in the hands. I need to go out and shoot it. And of course, let's talk about the cons, but there's more pros than cons. It's just probably about 2 things right now. The sights, of course, is always one. And the 10 round mag. This is all you can get right now. Old Glock mags don't fit in here, because they're a little thicker. These are thinner. So, but they should be coming out with more options for the mag. Maybe a 33 rounder. That'll be nice. So that's my impression of the Glock 43X. I love it. Please like, share, and subscribe to see future videos.